Sam.George who ya MP when who say me jina bia me jina penny eya kendi jina bia me de ni de be man penifo wotimi twa na nado adapaka se na nado se be we man pam but ena wo ye minister de oh we ase ya buy no one man no nko ntwa nko a untwa nu eni die eni obuo ya mfa me ye penifo na ese ye be dim penifo tam all because of political power ye benya power no de ye ti amanfo no amanfo be ye ti ayen Sam.George who ye me hian kasa because on na can die sunsuma di
abuza for mamu nyina makwaba Ghana and Sam TV so one more so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notification say be next time videos of this nature about so submit my cabin so watch there or comment section there me say munim dan if Mr. President be home be from Mr. President ameje so o text me Mr. President or comment section ameje so who see me TikTok na pa Mr. President ameje so sa koye de o baby agenda MPP. So the money in the opposition. So we are trying our possible best. They use Jan and the same TV channel also. They are what the new patriotic party and many kono. They are power 2028. Inshallah. Dr. Ladma Umboy president. Now also the power by MBA so selkebi. Na my kan kaya yi. They were John the money Muhammad the book at Neze Ibu idi. Ya many and for the Messiah. Dr. Ladma Umboy Muhammad the NS assembly few. Now once again. Me catch a gun and mabunu nyina say amanyo sem ne yeye no eye da chinti ne yeye amanyo sem nye print ne amanyo sem de wo ye bia no wo ye no wadwo say inti da chi bia no would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? We shouldn't forget say politics no ya ma utumi say fa bedi manfo nanim ya ma utumi say fa be ye wo yi it is all your software o ye ordinary Ghanaian, we educationist, we medical doctor, we once I have more opportunity to brother several public space, do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. And yes, I be a home bachelor.
Sam.George who ya MP when who say me jina bia me jina penny eya kendi jina bia me de ni de be man penifo wotimi twa na nado adapaka se na nado se be we man pam but ena wo ye minister de oh we ase ya buy no one man no nko ntwa nko a untwa nu eni die eni obuo ya mfa me ye penifo na ese ye be dim penifo tam all because of political power ye benya power no de ye ti amanfo no amanfo be ye ti ayen Sam.George who ye me hian kasa because on na can die sunsuma di dim penifo free kunkon say de ewiase nyina yere dia
na Andrea Public Accounts Committee ekwa asetina President Mahama appointees no be mumrafo ne titi Sam.George omrafo why kwame
oh sir
NDC for nkanche ne so omrafo na enye wono nko ani appointee a kwame or wa buying we listen omrafo temperament no ne bibia no kwame emrafo I mean it should come down never for men say
oh yeah
in na communication no kwan alpha so ni pakasa your national TV a minister of state, right?
95.1.
Maybe as Sam.George a year Jumedru as a member of parliament, he should understand, say, committee between Sade Frewa. It is not just because a year parliament need the and a year parliament in effect. Until the Yati committee say committee in infro. Na come and account to the people. And then it fails in here. Again. Eye emrase bedwane na ema ye nhum fasodie bia wo adwuma wo mu ye ni munti akwakoye te se abeye normal trend the Public Accounts Committee no ye no kwame they don't do it for themselves wo munye ma wo mu ankasa they do it for on behalf of the state
and nothing na make
say the Public Accounts Committee they to nsa the frewa and funny trans I say a one young for our new brashe be gamut no ubetimi abu wo anim tia at any point in time it is only because yeah niema ni be all this years ya Public Accounts Committee for appear I mean, embezzlement, misappropriation of funds, any idea kosuni nyinaa we don't get to punish people. And in Crawford for the trust as a normal trust keke. But in a serious country, the accountability jumano kwame. Public accounts jumedia womudino is as important as any other state thing. I mean, SSC yedi doing cost. But appointee is not fireful. Jamaica not just one more fireful because the end point of Public Accounts Committee Juma womu yen no anything is to ensure accountability.
Yeah, sure.
Ya limit ya hutu enyoma emfamfa so mbre yen because enemi no wo kasei ebo 5 p.m. eko 6 mobile money for omo Ghana ha nyinara ejaye adwuma omo pon omo kofi because omo suro say after those hours no akronfo bebo omo so aba beji omo sika enti ade ntina ye make sure say ye di security ye state security no ebe solve sa problem no enami no kasei ye maame mo omo digwa omo kwakwan tenten kofa neoma omo kwa na omo suro because omo suro say akronfo ebe hie omo atata omo okwan encheye na akronfo ekohia Ghana local team players ye kun baako sa akronfo we mu a ene omo hatima amofo no sebi omo yakọ ansa na omahia di omo ho nkomo enti se yetimi de cyber security ene ade ko locate obi a wo ye video a adenti na yentimi mfa sa cyber security no en locate sa nkofo we na yentu omo so samfiri o man ni mu eno ne adwuma a yese ye hwe Ghana police ene cyber security unit ene the state agencies me che the security agencies eno ne adwuma a yese omo hwe na omo ye ho adwuma na say yakase ye limit yourself to misdemeanors obi akasa yenkofa no obi apost yenkofa no ebeye den no man ni yakoyanim asem a me kan eya asem a wa wutie mi wa wo hwe me wo de kwa adwendwene mu a wotimi se eto adwene mu because ya say edne obi ye mobile money ontimi nye mobile money anwumre because osuro say akronfo be kwa akotata no obi wo shop obi nwanse ye say akronfo abo awura ho ba bi was akronfo we mu nyina no omo ye course ye ntimi mfasa ye security we en locate sa ankofo we before say nkomo no kromo plan no na nke yakwachi omo ejam hwema de ani nsi nemum sanyoma ni nyina ye mfa ya attention ko ho ye de attention ko omo kasa obi ono ne kasa abaya we ya wogina hoi e de pa na tese abaya we ugya no krampo a asem o kan ye obetima ye mama yanga te serious asoman na ye nyina ye hu se kasa ye kasa no enye bibi anti o se Ghana beko yie na se wote ho na wo ye Ghana panyini na wo yere oba unua o maame bi kwakwan so na akronfo akwakohia no age ne ho sika anaso o masa abo no abo ne tu agusu a enkansem wo ye aye kan beti ase Gamu beti ase enti Ghana yesrese ye security no mama yemfa ye security no and solve these problems enu na hia enye so obi akasa yenkofa no obi ayese yenkofa no enu no emfaso ben na de bebre o man no after all wo de nipa ne court money bill or back kwanebra no it doesn't change anything nemum se yepese yekoye nim asomanya momma yentu wo mo a omode tuo sekan ekokro no boko kunkofo ko hankofo omo ne hia yen
this is say your party your politics ye hunya akono ade na mo tete wo mo ma dwoma hama en reset your politics ni mayen na nya akono ne nyina ye nto aso nko John Dramani Mahama the policy politics resetter mo ma ne reset ni mayen the good politics resetter John Mahama mo ma ne reset mayen ye nyina ye okrom ha nanya kono nenya hwam ni yanhwe kwan a wo mo beba ko opposition 2028 ye be pam wo ma free Ghana konwa so ni wo mu dum so na akuafo a yentu wo mo ka wo mo abo wo mo so na wo mo bayire ye pam wo ma free aban mu ye be hwe de wo mo de beba kurom ha biem ene ye war ne besi e wo kurom ha war ne besie se MPP aban bi ba na ndisi mabunu yase ye de aban nanim be ye fom wo kurom ha ene ye war besi kurom ha war ne besi okun ne besi e okrom ha ya nyina ti krom ha
se amobeton amobepe investors anyo so moton omo pay investors omo enya atofo
omo enya investors
omo enya obia 2020 omo ye say omo beye omo enya obia 2021 and almost sign call advertising in the Economist daily graphic almost advertising we are seeing now so almost pay investors partners yes almost ton almost pay partners that time no na me ni abem
okay
na me ni abem na me ni minister me be minister 2023 until 14 companies are a bid some partners meeting na me company ne ka
oh number 14 is a yes it was a so idea say unkwana
advert and yes me company I'm separate from my company
it's true but dear
absolutely 14 companies and a bid 2021 na minister na juma ya me yin rock city no me margin is amount for management and I'm very happy with them 14 companies 2021 and a bid I knew about the bid.
Okay.
But I mean, a baby. Yeah, second time, 2020, manji post. Until almost called through process na, and almost shortlisted 3 companies. Senate. After 3 years, 2.5 years, open tender. A biographic movie, and almost shortlisted 3. Into 3 companies, no more shortlisted. Now Rock City Kahubi. There was nothing wrong with the transaction until Midimba up for vice president. And the Bay issue.
Was it an agenda?
Then okay, Ghana honey away.
Doctor, who got saying Ghana honey? Who understand you? Was it an agenda?
From 2021. There was nothing wrong with the Senate go through processes now from 14 companies, almost only so about 3 open. Probably be anyhow. Me be minister April 2023. Almost started at the end of 2021. 2022. 2023 April and I'm be a minister. Until Rock City was part of 3 now my shortlist, you know. It took 1 year, 2024, and no more enter negotiations. No problem be any. Kopim da, I became one of the potential names for vice president. And about for Kofa and no Edibai. And then Smith announced to say, that's so partners. I'm called parliament on this, I'm so partners. Because hotels in our essay. Ye castle woman declare profit 2024. Mubian who declare profit. None of the we declare profit ko check it. Snit that's what tia e binu mo so light bills be seen. Omo pensioners can ma ko tia light bill. So yes, time wa me be a minister 2023 no. Na be a transaction e do no. Me ya hwie nye because it started 2021. I go through processes nisa assembly ni ho. 2023 kwa me be a minister. Assembly ama ho. 2024
I won't say no way threatened. So was it within the party in a banner sana?
Wa kika unse mum na.
Me no ge me no me no na ji
ko. Wa kika unse mum na wa.
Na ma me bisa.
Blame it on the rain. Do you remember that song? This is what they do. This is how politics has become. And then they say that politics is dirty. Politics is not dirty. It is bad people who create that impression. Politics is not dirty. This politics that you've done, this kind of politics you've done, you are depriving old people. You see, if it was in some country, we'll take an impeachment process to parliament because you are depriving old people of their money. SNIT is a national backbone. You are depriving SNIT of money to satisfy your ego, your caprices and whims. You want to satisfy that ego and to bring down another. Ghana, we like that too much. The new generation is not like that. The youth are not like that. I see they push up each other. They're not like that. But
chairman, former NCA board chairman, on a member of this government went to complain